A great slam and then some. And begin!
What do I want to play? Oh? I believe that everybody has a niche when it comes to their video game itch. Some like playing Call of Duty Zombies. Zipline! We go! Are you fucking— Some even like playing Elfel as a zoner when she's a fucking rushdown. You
know, I changed my mind. Kill yourself.
But there is one game that will always stick in my top 5 until the day I die, and then some. And that game is
Hydro Thunder! Hurricane!
It's enough to make me cry!
Can you get the fuck out of my face?!
Hydro Thunder is an arcade inshore motorboat racing video game originally released by Midway. Wait, this is the wrong game. Hydro Thunder Hurricane is a boat racing video game developed by Vector Unit, and it came out for the Xbox 360 back in 2010. It's been 14 years! This game for the time, and even now, is quite fucking awesome to me. Because I have always been a racing game fanatic, but there's not really a lot of good, worthwhile racing games out there nowadays. But this game really does help me feel the itch of, I have speed, and I also feel like Max Verstappen. But first, a word from today's sponsor. There actually isn't a sponsor, but before the video starts, I would like for you to subscribe to the Extras channel. The Extras channel is going to have content that can't really be edited in a normal video, so I hope that you guys subscribe to enjoy that content over there. Anyway, enjoy my rambling of an Xbox 360 arcade game. The first map I am going to talk about is called Atlantis. Now, is this the first map in the list? No, not even close, but it's my video and I get to do what I want. This map is a 3-lap race, which is actually not that bad because 3-lap races in this game change how the map plays out each time you pass a lap, which makes for some pretty interesting gameplay.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
We're gonna go to thank you. I need the boost. Sorry, baby girl. I got it locked in. Oh, come on. Whatever. Victory! Ooh, okay. Next map on the list is called Soul Stream. Now this map, it's kind of fucking hard. It's the hardest map in the list of Hydro Thunder Hurricane because it could really fuck you up if you're not careful. It's a 1-lap race, but it's kind of difficult near the middle, and you'll kind of see with the footage. Shit. Soul Stream. This is the one map I don't have down.
2, 1, go, go, go!
Pull a cutthroat literally any time is possible, except for the world records. Gotta be a rat hazard dog to get those records. Once again, boost comes very rarely. Okay, now we're going for it.
Don't you feel silly? Don't you feel stupid? Don't you feel
I need the boost here. This will allow me to get an easy skip.
Boost is armed and ready.
Okay. Now it's just doing a better racing line. Get it. Whatever.
That was amazing.
Okay, another one down. Storming Asgard is almost perfection. This was the level that got me into Hydro Thunder Hurricane, but there is another level that had kept me in Hydro Thunder Hurricane. I'm just gonna let the gameplay speak for itself. I fucking love this map. What's half of 11, Ash? Okay. I'll round up and say 6.
I'm bored.
Lost Babylon is the most okay map of okay maps. There's nothing really special about it that really sticks out in the map list of Hydro Thunder Hurricane, but you know, it's okay. It's not horrible. There's maps that are worse than it, 100%, and you'll know about them soon enough. I fucking hate those more than this.
3, 2, 1, go, go, go! You open the gate.
I think that's the line?
Hey, I can see my
It is.
house from here.
God, I am literally popping off this fucking championship. Call me fucking Max is that. Holy shit. Let's not even go for air. I'm just gonna grab him in case somebody else wants it.
Aichi mama.
Yeah, I think that's faster than just going in the air.
You won.
Bermuda Triangle is top 3 best maps in this fucking game. But the reason why I'm kind of just so not putting it in S is because it's ultimately a boring racing thing. It's a great spectacle, and you'll see, but playing it is more boring than watching it. Bermuda.
3, 2,
Don't throw up Bermuda.
go, go, go! This is crazy.
Go for it. Greatest of all fucking time, bro! Oh, God. Wait, I'm gonna land very awkwardly here. Oh, I landed extremely awkwardly there. Oh, I went for the greatest of all time attack. Okay, that's alright. It's the easiest time to shoot from wherever I was first. Oh, land! Oh my god, the time save. Oh shit. I hate battling. Okay, cool. GG's on Bermuda. That AI put up a good fight. Falling to lose.
Oh! Ow!
Monster Island is goated. It is absolutely insanely good of a map. It is a 3-lap race that changes, but what's different from Atlantis is that it fundamentally changes. It's not like, oh, there's some secret paths that you can take. No, you have to take the new paths, and I think that's fucking awesome. Just enjoy the map. Oh my god.
One, go, go, go!
Oh, right, this isn't Gauntlet. I played so much Monster Island Gauntlet, I kind of forgot there were bombs there.
Holy shit! Did he win? Dragon stall to win! He knows the dragon stall optimal.
Just for fun. I know I'm in first place and I'm not gonna grab the tactic, right? Oh, there you go. I want to love Area 51 so much, but there is one part of Area 51 that makes me want to blow my brains out, and that is the beginning part. Holy shit, that fucking boat is my biggest op. It follows you for like half the map, and if you're on a faster boat, like a Rad Hazard or a Cyclone, you're fucked if he's in your lane, because you just go flying upwards, and by the time you go flying upwards, you're in 16th place. God, this map I want to love this map so much. Ah!
Yeah, I finished eating.
Yeah, you finished eating?
Yup. Okay, alright. What do you get? Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Catch me up, catch me up.
The more mods we have, the slower we are in the early game.
Yeah, that's great.
Like
yeah,
that
just took like 3 hours to eat, so.
Personnel in sector A12.
Wow, I haven't heard this music in so long. All the time.
Damn it, I needed that boost. Oh wait, there's one
My
right here.
penis. My penis. My fucking penis.
When you're up for you guys, or do you want just like no response?
What?
Sorry, I'm not talking to y'all. Wait.
Warning. Alien infiltration throughout complex.
What the?
Oh.
Really?
I got that. It's my friend.
Pair of Sewers is an interesting 3-lap race because it doesn't actually ever change with each time you pass a lap. But it's okay for the most part. It does introduce some interesting racing lanes that you have to kind of get used to. This map will kick your ass if you're starting this game. But once you get used to it, it's okay.
They're my friends.
That's it?
Yeah.
Can they hear me?
No, they can't. I don't speak.
Good.
Can you make them hear me so I can say that? Yeah, that's not nice.
Do you hear them? You have to get closer. Okay, they're not moving, so.
Put them on the mic.
They're not moving.
Put them on the mic.
No, because why can't my mic doesn't reach that far?
Put them on the mic.
But also, okay, well here, I'll just repeat what they're saying, okay?
Put them on the mic.
Oh, this is absolute chaos. There's like 20 voices.
Okay.
In my head right
No. I need to lock in. I fucked that up so badly.
Is that including them voices in your head?
Wait.
You could
Yo, wait, what class do you play?
What?
What class do you play?
Usually, I like either to play
All my years of conquest, violence, slaughter. It was never personal. But I'll tell you now, what I'm about to do to your stubborn, annoying planet. You're gonna enjoy it.
Never close
Very,
to
very.
fucking begin with. Why did I almost choke that?
Many times. Put every class.
I apologize in advance for the edit that I'm about to do. I'm about to glaze Thunderbolt so fucking much. I'm gonna give editor Dayth is gonna give you a timestamp. I'm interrupting the actual script. It's not that bad. Just watch the goddamn edit. Lake Powell is the actual first map in Hydro Thunder Hurricane. It's the first one you can ever play. It's an okay map. It's definitely a good beginner map for people who are not used to how chaotic this game is going to get. Definitely not up there with something like Storming Asgard, but, you know, it's an okay map. Two more.
You have a hook way, y'all early game.
Yeah.
God, we haven't been doing shit. What did I just tell you? I don't have magic posts.
Wow.
Whenever we're out of storage, I need you to say Dayth, and
I'll kill myself.
Is that his job?
yeah,
I'll do it.
Okay. Are you nerd? Wait, have I played Terraria before you were born? So like.
you have. You and I fucking lie.
How many hours do you have? 500. I got 400. So honestly.
I have 500 on the base game plus like 400 on the pod.
Okay, I only got 50.
I know that I have like 1,300 hours in total on every single platform I play on.
Yeah, you also are not counting mobile.
Yeah, because you're not counting
playing the mobile game.
You're not counting mobile
Me, when I first started
360.
playing.
Yeah, you're a fucking loser if you're playing a mobile game. That's all I have to say.
No,
PC came out first. Yeah, I got the game before it was like proper. Like I played this shit in beta. So I was like.
But have you like fully completed the game?
Yeah.
Why'd you say yeah?
What do you mean?
Yeah,
Why would I
think
not have fully completed the game?
I don't like that confidence, that lack of confidence you had in that. Yeah.
Okay, so I played. The last time I did.
I'm gonna spare you any edits or gameplay or any introduction to Castle Von Boom. I've teased it throughout the whole video. Welcome to the worst map in Hydro Thunder Hurricane, and the gap between it and second is not even close. It's like universes apart. This level sucks. It's not even a racing map. It is simply just a chaotic map to see, could you get first by basically bumping into other, you know what, watch. Just watch. I'm gonna mute it, and I'm gonna put a song over it. We'll see. It's something to match my hatred. Not working. Oh, there we go. Hey guys, welcome to my Castle Von Boom gameplay. Gotta get a drink. Oh, I've been taking my meds tonight. I don't know. But isn't this map amazing? I gotta like stretch. God. I don't know. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do. My hair's crazy. I'm bumping into people's. God, I'm sweating. The orphans were alive, I promise. Right. Whew. Did we clean up the thing with the FBI? I don't know. I gotta take off this shirt. Don't call the cops, you idiot. They're never gonna find it. Don't ignore all the subtitles. I have not done anything wrong. No, they can't find them. Exactly. I've done nothing wrong, actually. I don't know what the subtitles are talking about. I don't know. But I hope you're enjoying the gameplay. Please like and subscribe for more, and remember the orphans are safe, I promise. I did not hide those orphans in the back of a castle that happens to be in a different dimension, I promise. I am perfectly sane, perfectly fine, and remember, kids. Oh, fuck the kids. Oh, no, don't make me remind me of the kids. Oh no. The kids, the orphans. Oh my god. What am I gonna do about those damn orphans, bro? I don't know. What do I do? No, but they're gone. They're gone. Dayth, they're gone. I have to remember that they're gone. The orphans. Oh wait, where's the music go? There we go. More cheery music. Oh, I hope you're enjoying the Castle Von Boom gameplay. Remember to like and subscribe for more amazing Hydro Thunder Hurricane videos. And I am not going insane. This is perfectly good gameplay. Oh, it's so amazing, isn't it, right? Oh my god, look at it. How great this map is. It's one of the greatest maps in the history of Hydro Thunder Hurricane. Oh my god. Look at the fact that you just bumped into 16th place. Oh, it's such a cool and amazing map. Oh, and look at that. We're finished. Please like and subscribe for more content. Yay. The orphans aren't dead, I promise.
Not only is it invincible on startup, but also it guard crushes, because it needed more stuff. It wasn't good enough.
Of course you do. Of course you do. Get the fuck away from me! Who are you?
You know what cool is? You're looking at